AI helps experts. It doesn't really help beginners or anyone entering the field. It's not necessarily a teacher because all you do is get the result. You don't get any of the context. And as such, you really can't apply it because the practitioner doesn't know if the result is correct or not.
Right, so this is the situation right now as an expert, which is basically the only role that is possible in the infrastructure space right now. You have to know everything. You need to know your own stack, you need to understand all of the technologies, all of the settings, all of the detail that you see. Now imagine a beginner in this role. They don't know a lot about the technology they work with. They might have a very isolated view, but right now are forced to work holistically with tools like Terraform. There's zero abstraction. I remember myself from many years ago being a beginner, and I was a quick learner. But still, if you don't know what you're doing, there's no chance you can make it work. And figuring out on the subject is a very complicated thing. Well, you probably will be able to ask your AI questions, so it will reduce the time that you need to Google things, but AI doesn't know your infrastructure. It is completely decoupled from it. It knows general things. So it will not tell you what this particular setting means. It will not tell you why this tag is in this particular resource. The point is that it's only for the expert right now, and this is what needs to change.